Hi and welcome to CEBUANO News. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Horizons 101 is a natural standout in the city's skyline. Presently the tallest structure in Cebu and outside of Metro Manila, Horizons 101 truly elevates cosmopolitan living to breathtaking new levels. Solid from top to bottom, Tower 1's foundation alone uses 16,000 cubic meters of concrete, equivalent to 245 NBA basketball courts. It is a 6-minute walk from Fuente Osmeña Circle and 1.4 kilometers from Ayala Center, Cebu. Horizons 101 provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, an outdoor swimming pool and a terrace. Private parking is also available on site. Colon Street is 2.4 kilometers from Horizons 101 while Magellan's Cross is 2.9 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Cebu International, 10.9 kilometers from the accommodation, and the property offers a paid airport shuttle service. Further strengthening Horizons 101, a staggering 10 million kilograms of metals are incorporated into its structure. It would take 500 trailer trucks to carry that much.